Kelly here. I want to make a quick live video. Just absolutely excited. About to announce the release of our fully automated video training series for Service Autopilot. We've been using several companies around the United States, bringing in fresh office personnel that have never even heard of Service Autopilot. And within 3 to 5 days, we had them up and trained 100% ready to go. This is just absolutely revolutionary in my opinion. So if you already are a Service Autopilot member, you can go to the marketplace icon up at the top there, or give us our office a call, or click the link below for more information of what's included. But you're going to hear a lot about this. But one of the biggest stumbling parts of Service Autopilot that we hear from a lot of users is learning the system is very, very tough. So what we've done is broken it down into 6 easy digestible modules complete with testing. The way we tackle this though is the videos don't bounce around. They sequentially go from lead acquisition off the website, or when the client calls, we teach you how to get them in the Service Autopilot, what needs to be taken care of on each tab of the add the lead screen. We go in and show you how to break down the sales source, so how they heard about you. We're setting the foundations for the system and the tracking of lead conversion into clients and the cost per acquired client per lead source. In addition, we go in and show you how to break down custom fields or job variables. So whether it's turf square footage and lawn care, home square footage and home cleaning, we go in and break down the process to how to do this in an easy, digestible way. So even if the admin is not building the stuff out, they had a foundational understanding of what's going on top of this. In addition, if you're the business owner manager and you want to have a better understanding, we break this down in very slow, simple videos that are 2 to 3 minutes each, and they're very digestible. At the end of each module, we have testing, and you have to pass that module at 100% to go to the next one. And we have an automated process that teaches you on the questions that you got wrong. So as we go in, we got lead acquisition, we enter them into SA, we create an estimate, we go into estimate templates, pricing grids, the estimate email, the estimate acceptance email. All of this is at really easy, digestible, step-by-step directions. Then we go into how to email out the estimate itself, preview it, and tweak it on the fly. So we got a templated email that loads in now. When we lose the estimate, we go through the process of closing that lead out for list hygiene. Then we drive it down to the one estimate process. You can notice this is all sequential. We're not bouncing around. This makes sense as a process in the office. We go in and show you how to convert the lead into a client off the estimate. If the client calls and says, hey, I want to sign up, we show you how to mark that as 1. Then in addition, we show you how to schedule off the estimate. This is a key thing. We're eliminating training extra screens and steps and creating a process and workflow that is systematized. By doing such, the price, the budgeted time and cost, or any materials are automatically transferred over the schedule. Next thing we're going to go in is talk about scheduling work. We're going to go over the main types of scheduling in Service Autopilot for the lawn care industry and the home cleaning industry. We're going to go over one-time jobs. So that's a job we know the specific date. We go over reoccurring jobs, so your weekly, your bi-weekly, your custom schedules. We're going to go over your waiting list. Maybe it has to be done this week, but not today, sometime between Monday and Friday. We go into package jobs, particularly this is around fertilizing or maintenance packages. So we go in, very similar to the waiting list, but show you how to set that up and schedule that. Then we go into routing and all the different types of routing you can do in Service Autopilot. So we've got our optimize free through Google. We got our paid optimizing. We have our manual and grouped optimizing. We give the good, bad, and ugly on all of them and how we recommend systematizing this for your business. Then we go down and show you how to double check the route order and check the visual clues on the little flags. Next thing we move is roll into the dispatch board. The dispatch board, we're going to show you how to adjust the crews on the fly. So if you no call, no show, this is going to give you the foundational information for your job costing and payroll. Then we're going to select the jobs and dispatch them, either print them or get them live out on the mobiles. Next thing is we're going out into the field to get the work done. When the work is done, we're going to close the screen out with the closeout day screen. So we're going to go and give you a sanity check to make sure we have a price, budgeted time, and good start and stop times, because that bad data in is going to be bad data out for your reporting for job costing and raising your prices and production rates. So we're going to make sure we have foundational understanding. Then we're going to make sure everything's complete. And then whether we build daily, weekly, monthly, or a custom day of the month, the system is now going to automatically create those invoices, and then once the invoices are done, we're going to take you through the invoice and collection process and show you how to charge cards, how to print those invoices, how to email those invoices, all at a click of 3 buttons. A systematized way to get that done that's predictable day in and day out. And then the last thing is we're going to show you how to enter contracts and prepayments and the biggest misconceptions of entering services that are under contract. Most people are not putting a price or budgeted time. When it's connected to the contract, it will not double bill. This I ensure, but by doing so and getting a price and budgeted time and cost in there, this will in fact give you great data in, great data out for job costing and production rate based estimating. So if any of this sounds of interest, click the link below, get some more details. If you are on employee level 3, and there's quite a few people out there, very shortly within the next week or two, we will be inserting and building this automation out and getting you access to it at no extra cost. So if you are on our employee systems, automations, employee level 3, that includes video training. This whole new process of automating your video training for your office staff will be included at no extra cost. If you're employee level 1 or level 2 and you want to jump up, also click that link below and as a link to my online calendar so we can talk and see if it's a good fit for you. But if you're not ready to dive into our employee automations and you want to just have the automated onboarding training system for the office, this is a new product offering by Simple Growth. We're continuing to push the envelope to make simple install and training of Service Autopilot for everyone in every industry that we work with, whether it's lawn care, home cleaning, or pest control, or some of the other service industries like pond maintenance or waterless pond features as well. So check it out. Click the link below in the link or in this post. But really excited. All our employee level 3 automations are going to be getting access to this very shortly. And if this is something you want as just a standalone automation, it's going to be a game changer. So whether you as the business owner want some clarification or you want to be able to hand this off automated to train your new office staff with predictable results day in and day out, this is what allowed me to basically scale a absentee owner business. And if I didn't want to be there for 30 days, or if I fell sick and couldn't run it, or you want to go out and sell your business and have a turnkey solution that doesn't revolve around the owner, there's a true value in here to automate your workflow and training for your office staff. So any questions, comments, drop below, click the link, check out the details. Look forward to seeing you on the either live or yesterday's replay of the webinar on the link below that goes into the exact details of what I'm talking about with a visual representation, and we go over all the pricing. So looking forward to talking to some people live or on the yesterday's replay of the automation here. And if you're on Service Autopilot, you want more information, go up to the upper right-hand corner under the little icon of the silhouette of the person, Marketplace. It is probably one of the first or 2 listings, Simple Growth automated video training for Service Autopilot. Look forward to see you on that webinar or on yesterday's replay on the Marketplace or on the link I just put in below.